What's going on, guys? It's Jake here, and today we're going to be fixing a 2DS that's in pretty bad condition. Still hair from the Sonic and Knuckles controller. I don't really have much to say here. You saw the title, you saw the thumbnail. We got a broken 2DS to fix. Let's just get to it. This thing is literally in pieces. It's missing so much that we're going to combine these two to hopefully get one working one. The other one turns on, but the screen is badly cracked. Okay, let's dig deeper and see if the non-cracked screen works. It looks like we're going to have to plug this into a working motherboard. The screen works, but the backlight is beyond repair. Let's tear the rest of this apart because we're going to have to peel back the layers of both screens to combine them into one working screen. Be very careful here because the aluminum shielding is sharp and the screen is made out of glass. All I'm doing here is prying up all the tabs so we can get the good glass out. This is the bad backlight, so we don't need it anymore. Let's do this all again for the other screen. That is a very cracked piece of glass. Now that we have the good backlight and the good screen glass, we can carefully sandwich them back together. Let's make sure this works. Let's go. It's just doing that because the stick is bad. And that turned off because I moved the battery. Let's go! Now let's separate all the little pieces and wash them. How did the home button get here? Now I'm literally just going to rinse and repeat with everything else, so another time lapse? Nah, let's just cut to putting it back together since that'll probably be a time lapse too. And would you look at that, another time lapse. It's the only compromise for people who want to see everything and those who want shorter videos. Here's another time lapse of me trying to install the stupid R and L buttons for 5 minutes. I'm pretty sure they were designed by the devil. And the moment of truth. Eventually. Are you serious? I'm guessing I cracked it when I put the metal shielding on, but I don't know. Everything else works great though. I could totally fake it by never turning it back on if I wanted to, because I proved that it worked without the broken screen before. So yeah, it's a little disappointing that I ended up just breaking the screen after fixing it. You know, obviously I'm still posting this video, you're seeing it right now. Maybe I'll do a short in the future where I just do like a quick little screen swap. But for now, it's in a lot better condition than it was at the start of this video, so not gonna complain. Plus, it was pretty cool that I was able to completely take apart 2 separate screens, mash them together, and get them to work before I broke it, putting it back in the case. I guess this is just my way of saying it's okay to fail. I feel like more people on YouTube that do this kind of stuff need to show their failures, because even people like me who are amazing at what they do fail sometimes. Just yesterday, I broke 2 DS Lite motherboards, because I'm not that good. It was for a tough mod that you're probably going to see in the future. But yeah, if you fix things on YouTube, throw in a fail video every once in a while. You don't have to market it as a fail video, because I don't think this is a complete failure. We can actually play the games, all the buttons work. There's just a little mark, a little blemish on the top screen. But yeah, the reason why I'm not replacing it again right now is because these are like $40, $50 screens. So just not worth it when these go for like 80 to 100. And I've already spent like probably 40, 50 bucks between the 2 broken ones of these. So we'll fix it eventually. But that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed, well, listen to Brittany. If you're new here, please subscribe. Only 4% of my viewers are actually subscribed. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram, TikTok. If you want to support me financially like these lovely folks here, you can go check out my Patreon page, link down below. Also, if I haven't posted already, Patreon members are getting an exclusive video. Since there's no more giveaways at the moment, if you want to buy yourself one of the Game Boys we make on Mod Monday, our Game Boy modding live streams, then you can check out my website, retroremaster.com. You can also get a cool shirt like this one. But I think that's all the self-promo I can get out of this one, so I will see you guys in the next one. Later, guys. The fur from that controller refuses to leave me alone.